CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Circle Internet Group stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially with CRCL, I'm looking to take it up. You know, it all began here when it was 76 bucks. And I was, buying. That was great, Yeah, it was 76. I was aiming for 104. That delivered. This is the beginning of summer, and then went 300 bucks. On this way up, I never just really took it to this high, but I got like 3 wins on the way up, and I got a break even recently. The one thing that I expected was a shift and a double break, and I'm still yet to have it. This fake out, I'm not even going to count. So that's why the only thing that I expect is a double break, and then I would look to take things further up. Randomly buying will not be happening. And with CRCL, I also got so much receipts, bro, like so much. I mean, I'm talking like 39 receipts in the Discord. So this is being definitely covered quite hefty on this YouTube channel. And like I said, like for me to really be bullish, I must see this confirmation happening. And if it's not, that's why I'm waiting. If it's not, I'm not buying. Right. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights and stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.